Hello, and welcome to another video for the Spring 2019 BeautyPro Box. Today, we are going to look at the awesome goods that we got from Laser Tech Designs. Let's get started. Ahoy hoy beauty pros! Laser Tech Designs was one of our featured vendors in the Spring 2019 BeautyPro Box. Let's talk about what you got. First, if you turn your attention to the BeautyPro Box postcard, you will see a coupon code for 15% off your next order with SymbolicSilver.com. Symbolic Silver is a sister company to Laser Tech Designs, and they do some really gorgeous custom jewelry. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see what cool lashy thing that we got from Laser Tech Designs. We've got a decorative lash keychain. On one side it says, "I'm not perfect, but my lashes are," and on the other it says, "Lash and let live." Besides holding your keys, of course, this cute little number can also be used as a zipper pull on a tote bag or luggage or on your purse, or you can hang it on your phone case. You can put it on display in your rear view mirror in your car. You can use it as a pet collar, really whatever else you could possibly think of. These also make great customer or staff gifts. They are aluminum, so I probably wouldn't put them somewhere that they would get banged up a lot. Once you decide where you're going to put it, here's how you can use it without breaking a sweat or a nail. Take one of these handy dandy staple remover chompers, chomp, 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 chomp. And once you're done playing with it, which for me is almost never, you can use it to easily open up the ring and slip keys in or attach it to your favorite anything. So there you have it, the awesomeness that we got from Laser Tech Designs. If you have a design that you'd love to see come to life, hit them up and make some magic with them. If you're just joining us, we just showed you how to best use the goods that we got from Laser Tech Designs that was included in the Spring 2019 BeautyPro Box. If you missed out on the Spring box, the next one is the Summer 2019 box, and you can get more information as well as order on our website at www.thebeautyprobox.com. Make sure you sign up for the email so that you get notified as soon as the next videos are up. I hope you like our tips videos, and if you do, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you real soon. And until next time, just remember that we can all be the change that we want to see in the lash world and beyond. Thanks, guys.